Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the scarcity of water. In the previous video already we have discussed about the sources of water, from where we are getting the generally source that of water, where we are getting. Okay, already I have discussed, students. There are 75% of the water is covering all over the world. Okay, to covering the earth. That means near about the total water what is there, 90-80% water is a saline water and 2% only fresh water, and that 2% fresh water are the different way it is form way it is staying. And if you see that some waters are fresh water is forms as a like a glacier, like a where it is present in that two poles of the earth, and some waters are in the ground, and some waters we are finding as a rivers, lakes and other that. Okay, so that is generally 0.6%, something already we have discussed in the last video. But friends, today we are going to discuss about that what is the scarcity of water. Scarcity means of lack of water. Scarcity means how much needs we need that water we are not getting. So if you see that the distribution of the water, if you see, and especially we are getting some water from the rain water, some ground, and some water we are getting from the sea and river and other. Okay, but it is not sometimes where what happening, some places of our earth not getting proper water, means perfect water. Okay, that means how much water they need that not getting, and some places what happening, it is due to that heavy rains it is becoming flood also. Some places it is forming that drought due to the water. There is no rains for a long time, so long years, like a years or 2 years or 3 years. If there is no rain, then the water table will go down. That level of water on the under the surface it will go down. That is called as a water table. And that if you go to the down, we won't get by that. If you do that wells, we make that wells or hand pumps, we won't get the water. Okay, so this different way that we are facing that water, the scarcity of water. And main things what happened, students, one is increasing that population. So if you are depending upon the wells, and everybody, if they will make that bore and they will get that try to water, and will get that shortage of water, because due to that, because we are cutting also trees. Whenever we are cutting the trees, that rain won't come, and if there is lack of rain, then you won't get the water. Whatever the surface water, it will finish due to that heavy sunlight, and it will be evaporated, and then if you will not get that rains, we won't get the water. Okay, so let us discuss about that. First of all, what are the main factors influencing about that scarcity of water? We will see. Especially during the summer, some places face the acute shortage of water. You should see, that in the rainy season, nobody will say that we are facing that water problems, because anyway the water will available on the surface of the water we will get. But during that summer season, what will happen? Every pond, well, and whatever the surface area of that earth, that water will get evaporates by that sunlight, heavy sunlight you will get. Due to that, that waters will get that evaporation, and then after it will be dried up. The surface of that it will become dried up. So at that time we will face some area of that earth will get the shortage of water. That is called as a scarcity of water. Water scarce for human consumption due to the following reasons. The water present in the seas, oceans, saline, and cannot be directly used for the human consumption. One point, students, you should remember. Waters are generally, I told you, 90-80% are present. That water is saline water, which one is present in the sea or ocean, and which one is salty taste, and we cannot consume. It is not suitable for the directly consume. Okay. Next, a large amount of water is frozen in the glacier and the polar ice cap, which is cannot available for the consumption. And another one also 2%. From that also 1 point something, 1.4 or 1 point something, that what is that percent of water is formed as a glacier, like is to ice formed, and which is present near that poles, 2 poles near it is present, which are not useful for the consumption of that for the human beings. Okay, so next, this is second things. Third things, what is that water on the earth is not evenly distributed. Some places facing floods due to heavy rains, and some other places drought because of a lack of rain for years. If whatever rain is there, if everywhere the rain will come, and everywhere whatever that rainwater it will get available everywhere similarly, uniformly, then everybody will get that water. But what happening due to the natural changeable, the climate changing, the different places that it is occurring the different rain. That is, some places what happening continuously rain is there, and some places there is no rain. Which places rain is there continuously, that we will get the floods, and we cannot that they will face that water problem also, because that water will mix with all that dust particles, all that way it will be pollutant that water bodies. So we cannot directly, we cannot drink that water, or we cannot take water, because all that water will mix with the other components. Similarly, students, in other places of that earth or other region of the earth, what will happen? They will not get the water due to that lack of rain. That means if rain won't come since 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, that means the water table also will go down. The level of water under the surface, whatever there also, it will go down. Whatever the surface water also, what are the present, it will be evaporates. So in that time, at that time, we will get that scarce of water. Okay. An important source of water is groundwater. It is a groundwater source of the water for wells. Okay. So an important source of water is groundwater. Groundwater source of water for wells, tube wells, and springs, and many rivers. Students, observe that an important source of water is groundwater. Groundwater, we can depends upon the groundwater. If by the sunlight, if you surface of the water, it will dry up also. Sometimes what will happen, the groundwater, it will be, if you available, we cannot use that. Groundwater source of water for wells, tube wells, and springs, and many rivers. By that groundwater, what we are doing, by that wells we are making, and hand pumps we are using, boring we are doing. By that motors with we are using, taking that ground water and using our daily life. Okay. Due to the various of activities, water bodies are getting polluted, resulting in the deterioration of water quality. Suppose what will happen? Some places what we are doing, we are misusing. Misuse means, suppose an animal dead bodies we are throwing that in river inside, and some other whatever waste things also we are keeping in the river or ponds or that nearby that our water bodies are there, that we are throwing. So what happened? Due to the increase of population, we are misusing, we are doing the water. So whenever that water will get that pollutants, it is directly not possible to drink or use for our human activities. Yes. So students, these are the main factors how that scarcity of water we are facing, or day by day we are facing that scarcity of water. That scarcity of water means, recently in our India, that is Chennai, that it was facing a lot of problems in the last summer, I think. So because of there, everybody is there using that water. By especially this, it will affect in that towns or cities, because of that water it cannot penetrate or cannot sink into the soil. So what will happen? The water, all whatever water will collect from that area, it will by the drain, canal drains, it will go distance away from that city. Then by that way, what will happen? That whenever we will make that boring, we won't get the water, because that water level of that regions will go down. So especially the city people, they will face mainly the lack of water or the scarcity of water. Thank you all of you students. Have a nice day.